Imagine stepping out your back door into a personal paradise, a haven just for you. Sunlight dances on the surface of your very own pool, creating a mesmerizing effect. The gentle sound of splashing water invites you to relax and unwind, washing away your worries. A backyard pool is more than just a luxury. It's a transformative addition to your home, offering a private oasis for recreation, relaxation, and connection with loved ones. Pools provide a welcome respite from the summer heat, cooling you down instantly. They offer a place to exercise, socialize, and create lasting memories with family and friends, all in one spot. Imagine children splashing gleefully on a hot afternoon, their laughter filling the air. Picture yourself floating peacefully under a starlit sky, feeling completely at ease. These are the moments that make a backyard pool so special and unforgettable. But the allure of a pool goes beyond simple enjoyment and fun. It becomes an integral part of your home, adding value to your property and enhancing your quality of life significantly. A well-designed and maintained pool can transform your backyard into a captivating retreat, a place where everyday stresses melt away and joy takes center stage. Building a pool is an exciting endeavor. It's a project that promises endless hours of enjoyment, relaxation, and a touch of luxury to your home. However, it's crucial to approach this project with careful planning and consideration. A well-thought-out plan can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the road. Before breaking ground, several key decisions must be made. These choices will shape the look, functionality, and longevity of your pool. From the initial design to the final touches, every step is important. Begin by envisioning how you plan to use your pool. Will it primarily be a place for family fun, where kids can splash around and play games? Or are you hoping to host elegant poolside gatherings, complete with ambient lighting and comfortable seating? Do you envision a sleek, modern design with clean lines and contemporary materials, or a more natural, lagoon-style pool that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape? Each style offers its own unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. The answers to these questions will guide your design choices. They will help you determine the best layout, materials, and features to include in your pool. Next, consider the size and shape of your pool. The dimensions should complement your backyard space and meet your needs. Factor in the available space in your backyard, local building codes, and your budget. It's essential to balance your dream pool with practical considerations. Rectangular pools are classic and versatile, offering a timeless look that suits many homes. On the other hand, free-form shapes can create a more organic feel, mimicking natural bodies of water and adding a unique touch to your landscape. Don't forget to think about features like tanning ledges, waterfalls, or built-in spas, which can enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your pool. These elements can transform a simple pool into a luxurious retreat. Finally, navigate the permitting process. This step is crucial to ensure that your pool is built safely and legally. Most municipalities require permits for pool construction. These permits ensure that your project complies with local regulations and safety standards. Consult with your local building department to understand the specific regulations and obtain the necessary approvals. They can provide valuable guidance and help you avoid potential pitfalls. This step ensures that your pool project adheres to safety standards and local ordinances. By following these guidelines, you can create a safe and enjoyable environment for everyone. Additionally, consider the timeline for your pool construction. Proper project management can help keep the process on track and within budget. Think about long-term maintenance as well. A well-maintained pool will provide years of enjoyment, so plan for regular upkeep and care. Working with a professional pool construction team can make a significant difference. Their expertise and experience can help bring your vision to life while ensuring quality and compliance with all regulations. Once construction is complete, a final inspection will ensure that everything is in order. This step is essential for your peace of mind and the safety of your pool. With careful planning and attention to detail, your new pool will be a source of joy and relaxation for years to come. Enjoy the process and look forward to the many memories you'll create by the water. Modern pool construction has evolved significantly in recent years, offering homeowners durable, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing options. With advancements in technology and materials, the process of building a pool has become more streamlined and customizable, catering to a wide range of preferences and budgets. Gone are the days of lengthy construction times and limited material choices. Today, homeowners can choose from a variety of construction methods, each with its unique benefits and characteristics, ensuring that there is a perfect pool for every backyard. One popular method is concrete pool construction. This traditional approach has stood the test of time and continues to be a favorite among many homeowners due to its robustness and versatility. This technique involves excavating the pool area, building a sturdy steel-reinforced concrete structure, and then finishing it with plaster, tile, or aggregate. The process allows for a high degree of customization in terms of shape, size, and design, making it ideal for those looking to create a unique backyard oasis. Concrete pools are renowned for their durability, design flexibility, and longevity. They can withstand harsh weather conditions and heavy use, making them a long-term investment for any property. Another increasingly popular option is fiberglass pool construction. This method has gained traction due to its efficiency and the high-quality finish it provides. Fiberglass pools are pre-manufactured in a factory and transported to the construction site. This off-site production ensures consistent quality and reduces the time required for on-site construction. They are known for their quick installation times, smooth surfaces that resist algae growth, and lower chemical requirements compared to concrete pools. The non-porous surface of fiberglass pools makes them easier to clean and maintain, providing a hassle-free swimming experience. Vinyl liner pools offer a budget-friendly alternative. These pools are an excellent choice for those looking to enjoy the benefits of a swimming pool without breaking the bank. These pools feature a structural framework made of steel, polymer, or treated wood, which is then fitted with a custom-made vinyl liner. The installation process is relatively quick and straightforward, making it a convenient option for many homeowners. Vinyl liners come in a wide array of colors and patterns, allowing for easy customization. Homeowners can choose a design that complements their outdoor decor and personal style, creating a cohesive and inviting pool area. Each construction method has its pros and cons. Concrete pools offer unparalleled durability and customization. Fiberglass pools provide quick installation and low maintenance, and vinyl liner pools are cost-effective and easily customizable. It's essential to consult with a reputable pool builder who can assess your needs, budget, and site conditions to recommend the best option for your project. A professional can guide you through the decision-making process, ensuring that you choose a pool that meets your expectations and enhances your outdoor living space. A sparkling clean pool is essential for both aesthetics and hygiene. Not only does it look inviting, but it also ensures that swimmers are safe from harmful contaminants and bacteria. Understanding the basics of pool filtration and sanitation is crucial for maintaining a healthy and inviting swimming environment. This knowledge helps pool owners and operators keep the water clear and safe, providing a pleasant experience for everyone. The pool's filtration system acts as its kidneys, removing debris, dirt, and contaminants from the water. Without a proper filtration system, the water would quickly become cloudy and unsafe for swimming. The most common type is a sand filter, which uses specialized sand to trap particles as water passes through it. Sand filters are popular because they are effective and relatively easy to maintain. Other options include cartridge filters and diatomaceous earth (DE) filters, each with its own advantages and maintenance requirements. Cartridge filters are known for their ease of use and efficiency, while DE filters provide superior filtration by trapping even the smallest particles. Sanitation systems are the pool's immune system, killing bacteria, algae, and other harmful microorganisms. Without proper sanitation, these microorganisms can multiply rapidly, leading to unsafe swimming conditions and potential health risks. Chlorine remains the most widely used sanitizer due to its effectiveness and affordability. It has been the go-to choice for pool sanitation for decades, providing reliable protection against a wide range of pathogens. It's available in various forms, including tablets, granules, and liquid solutions. Each form has its own application method and benefits, allowing pool owners to choose the best option for their specific needs. Saltwater chlorination systems are gaining popularity. These systems offer a more natural and less harsh alternative to traditional chlorine, making them an attractive option for many pool owners. These systems use a salt generator to convert salt into chlorine, providing a more consistent and gentler form of sanitation. This process not only reduces the need for manual chlorine addition, but also creates a more pleasant swimming experience with less irritation to the skin and eyes. Alternative sanitizers like ozone and UV systems offer chemical-free options but often come with higher upfront costs. Ozone systems use ozone gas to kill microorganisms, while UV systems use ultraviolet light to achieve the same effect. Regular testing and balancing of the pool water are essential. This ensures that the water remains safe and comfortable for swimmers, preventing issues such as eye irritation, skin rashes, and the growth of harmful bacteria. Invest in a reliable test kit, or consider using a pool service professional to monitor the water chemistry. Regular testing allows for timely adjustments to the water's chemical balance, ensuring optimal conditions at all times. Maintaining proper pH levels, alkalinity, and sanitizer levels ensures a safe and comfortable swimming experience. Proper chemical balance not only protects swimmers, but also extends the life of the pool equipment and surfaces, reducing maintenance costs in the long run.